Hello everyone.
Hi.
So welcome to our HIIT ninth series. So today we are going to be doing exercises, especially for the people who are seniors and people who haven't been able to do our other previous HIIT series due to some physical, disabilities, or if they have any problems with the back or knees. So the idea is to spread fitness for everyone. Considering during the lockdown no one has access to a proper gym, and their like personal trainers, if they have one, they can use our HIIT series and do these exercises.
And because it's quarantine period and everybody of us are at home, we are with our parents, right? And we have this thought in our mind all the time to do something for them. So it's their age, they need us, they really need us. And with this we can just give time to themselves, और उनके साथ हम वर्कआउट्स कर सकते हैं. ये सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेज हैं जो हम उनको करा सकते हैं अंडर आवर ओन गाइडेंस, राइट? सो वील स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी बेसिक exercise, that is standing march with arm stretch.
So it's going to be for 30 seconds and then we will take 30 seconds rest.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. So it starts with easy march on the spot
With a little arm
with
stretch.
little bit of arm stretching. So like this. So this can be easily done by aged people, people having problems maybe with their knees or core. It's a very easy exercise, but it can help
Yeah.
a lower body part as well.
As it involves 4 of your limbs, so you can
Yes.
stretch all the 4 limbs in this one exercise, which is going to be a very good warm up as well for further coming up exercises in the
Okay.
circuit.
So the second exercise is going to be toe and stretch, or knee and stretch,
Yeah.
depending upon
How
what-
much you can bend.
Yeah, so if you cannot bend till the toe height, you can do it till the knee. So we
Yes.
will show you both.
So
So-
first we'll try with the toe.
Yeah, so it's ready, like in this position. So first you go down, 1, and then stretch. In this stretching position,
Your leg.
see the leg, it basically it's stretched as well, and it's a bit turned as well, and you stretch your upper body as well. Okay, so back to toe, and then stretch. And this time we will show you till knee.
If you can't bend too much, so just
Till knee.
Till knee.
1, and then
stretch.
1 and 2. So in this stretched position, try to stretch your upper body with the hands and your legs as well. It's going to be a good exercise, for the overall, from toe till our upper body, and it will help you in stretching as well and increase the strength gradually.
Similarly, you can switch the other side and come to your right toe as we did with the left toe.
1,
Just go down, stretch.
1, 2.
And again, you can do it with your knee as well. If you're not able to bend too much,
2, 1, 2. So
All
this
right.
exercise has to be done for 30 seconds, and again 30 seconds of rest.
rest.
Next exercise is step back like lunge. So the way we used to do lunge like this, it's a bit of a tough position for everyone. So for seniors or for people who are not able to do that lunge, it's going to be just step back like this and just use the opposite limb, so opposite hand, okay, like this.
So that will help you to stretch
Stretch.
your arm as well.
And your legs.
Yes, so basically you are preparing yourself for the full lunge. Slowly, when you will learn this balancing with the like lunge position, you can slowly come to the proper
Lunge.
lunge like this.
So the way I am doing is for beginners, and how Gitika is going to show now is the proper lunge.
Yeah, so this is like a proper lunge. All right, bending your knee. And this is a beginner thing. Now coming to the next exercise is basically the involvement of your arms by doing arm spread and push. All right, so name of the exercise is arm spread and push, which is going to cover the two exercises for chest and back, which Pankaj will explain you.
Okay, so the position is, this is the starting position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, see the benefits. 1, we are stretching our chest. So, it's a kind of the exercise which we do in the gym is the pec deck machine. Then push, it's like a shoulder push, like a shoulder dumbbell press. Then back, and then squeeze again, like we do in the pec deck. So, it's hitting your chest and your shoulders. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you don't have to do this fast, just keep the rhythm slow and steady and feel that exercise and do the stretching very well. It's going to help you with your upper body, your shoulders, and it will help you with the overall strength for the upper body.
Yeah, basically this first circuit is for stretching of your the body, so that you get prepared for the further coming up circuits for you, and see, cherishing the memories.
As you can see from our earlier videos, everything is possible at home.
Yes.
For every age group.
For every age group. You can get your kids involved, your parents involved, because there's always a way out. It's nothing कि हमें हमेशा difficult exercises से start करना है. हम एक beginner level से भी start कर सकते हैं. And slowly and steady, we'll keep on going ahead.
So hope you guys are enjoying. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.